Sometimes all it takes is the sound of rain to slow down the world around you. With MagikFlame, you get more than just the look of fire. You get an experience, one that taps into your senses. And one of the most loved features is the rain, the gentle rhythm of raindrops. Soft, steady, calming. It's like nature's lullaby, perfect for winding down after a long day or setting the tone for a quiet morning. With the MagikFlame app, you can activate the rain sound with just a tap. Instantly, your space is transformed. The gentle rhythm of falling rain is perfect for meditation, reading, or simply enjoying a quiet moment to yourself. It helps ease anxiety, slow your heartbeat, and clear your mind, bringing a sense of stillness and peace into your day. Sometimes you don't need words or noise, or even music, just a warm fire and the sound of rain. MagikFlame. Let it rain. Like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more MagikFlame inspiration.